esophageal atresia, atresia, esophageal, atresia, esophageal manometry, okay, this all sound like manometry, esophageal manometry, ectomy means cut off, esophagectomy. So here you can see this one, the sound is a little bit changed. We're gonna call it esophagoscopy, esophagoscopy, esophago, esophago. This sound like the O sound changed to scopy. This sound changed like a small a, okay? Esophagoscopy. And this one is esophageal cancer, esophageal sphincter, sphincter, okay? Sound like a this is sphincter, sphincter, okay? Esophageal sphincter, sphincter. The last one we have esophagogastric, esophagogastric junction. Alright, please repeat after me. Esophageal atresia, esophageal manometry, atresia, esophagectomy, esophagoscopy, esophageal cancer, esophageal sphincter, esophagogastric junction. Alright, atresia, manometry, esophagectomy, esophagoscopy, esophageal cancer, sphincter, esophagogastric junction. Alright, please pause the video and practice these terms.